Start this day with a thankful heart, 'cause every breath you take shows say God mercy reach you before you even wake. Every new morning, one more chance. If you walk closer with Christ, trust the one we know the end from the beginning. 'Cause God faithfulness no depend on how you feel, it stand firm forever. Every prayer you pray precious in Him sight. True peace no come from perfect circumstances, it come from God's perfect presence. Every trial give you another chance for seeing grace sustain you. And every season of waiting have purpose in a God kingdom. Faith keep moving, 'cause God promised them last longer than every temporary problem. When you're weak, God strength show up stronger. Christ are your anchor when the waves of life get rough. God peace guard every heart we're trusting Him. No disappointment can stop God purpose for your life. Grace always bigger than guilt, and every burden get lighter when Christ carry it with you. God open door when no fear can look. Today obedience prepare tomorrow blessing. The Lord specialize in impossible things. Nothing surprise the God we rule eternity. Him wisdom always worth waiting for, and every silent tear you cry, the one we never forget Him children see them all. God timing always perfect, and one of the greatest gifts Him ever give. Christ bring peace to every troubled heart. Every promise where God make carry the power to fulfill itself. Worship always stronger than worry. When you keep your eyes on Jesus, God closer than your very next breath. Him love no depend on how perfect you be. The cross proves your hope always winning at the end. Nothing too much up for God restore. The Lord love for strengthen weary souls. Trust grow every day through surrender. God turn ordinary lives into extraordinary testimonies. On every step of obedience count for eternity. Faith keep moving, 'cause God promised them last longer than every temporary. When you're weak, God strength show up stronger. Christ are your anchor when the waves of life get rough. God peace guard every heart we're trusting Him. No disappointment can stop God purpose for your life. Grace always bigger than guilt, and every burden get lighter when Christ carry it with you. God open door when no fear can lock. Today obedience prepare tomorrow blessing. The Lord specialize in impossible things. Not a surprise the God we rule eternity. Him wisdom always worth waiting upon, and every silent tear you cry, the one we never forget Him children see them all. Keep trusting the Lord, keep holding on to Christ. Every promise He make, Him faithful to fulfill. The best till the end, and God never fail.